Ever wonder how to time your trades perfectly on TradingView? It can feel like a guessing game, but it doesn't have to be. In just a few minutes, you'll learn some of the most effective strategies to know exactly when to buy and sell. Let's dive in. Before we get into specific indicators, remember the golden rule: buy low, sell high. The challenge is defining what low and high actually mean in a dynamic market. This is where our tools come in. First up, moving averages. These are fantastic for identifying the trend. We'll focus on two, the 50 period and the 200 period. The 50 period moving average, MA, shows you the short-term trend, while the 200 period MA shows the long-term trend. When the shorter 50 period MA crosses above the longer 200 period MA, it's a bullish signal, a strong indication to buy. This is often called a *** golden cross ***. Conversely, when the 50 period MA crosses below the 200 period MA, it's a bearish signal, a strong indication to sell. This is known as a *** death cross ***. Next, let's talk about the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. This indicator measures the speed and change of price movements. The RSI is displayed on a scale from 0 to 100. When the RSI is above 70, the asset is considered overbought and a potential sell signal because the price might be due for a correction or drop. When the RSI is below 30, the asset is considered oversold and a potential buy signal because the price could be due for a bounce or rise. Finally, let's look at support and resistance levels. Support is a price level that an asset struggles to fall below, acting as a floor. Resistance is a price level that an asset struggles to rise above, acting as a ceiling. When the price bounces off a support level, it's a strong signal to buy. When the price fails to break above a resistance level, it's a strong signal to sell. Look for these levels where the price has repeatedly reversed in the past. By combining these three simple strategies, *** moving averages ***, the RSI, and support and resistance, you can make more informed decisions on TradingView. Remember, no single indicator is perfect, but using them together significantly increases your chances of success. Happy trading!